Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you've decided to close your Roth IRA or on Robinhood, follow these steps carefully to avoid penalties and ensure your funds are handled properly. Firstly guys, before proceeding, be aware of potential tax implications, penalties, or loss of retirement benefits. Early withdrawals from your Roth IRA may result in fees unless they meet IRS criteria. So let us start. Log into your Robinhood account. Tap the account icon on the bottom right. Select Investing and choose your Roth IRA account. Tap on Withdraw and follow the prompt to transfer money to your linked bank account. If you plan to move your Roth IRA to another provider, select Transfer Account. After that, you need to contact Robinhood support. So Robinhood does not provide a direct close account option in the app. You'll need to reach out to Robinhood support. In the app, go to the Accounts, Help, Contact Us, and request to close your Roth IRA. Robinhood may ask you to confirm that your balance is zero before closing the accounts. And once they confirm your deletion and closure, ensure you receive a final account statement for your records. Guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you go through this without any issues. Good luck. Also support us by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one.